Oh, I'm a mess. I need your help. I want to share a story with you that I think is massive, and that is it possible that data centers are a complete scam? Are they, in fact, just a short interim fix to something that doesn't exist?
More than half of all AI data center construction projects worldwide are being canceled or delayed.
Half of U.S. data centers planned for 2026 are expected to be delayed or canceled.
Breaking news on the Bloomberg terminal. Oracle and OpenAI are apparently ending plans to expand that Texas data center site.
So I'm interested in the whole AI slop, image creation as a filmmaker, and I am interested in how AI works.
Data centers, no future. The AI chip takes over as the new source of regenerative AI.
I kind of, being old and stupid, always thought that somehow you put a picture in and it looks at lots of database references like Google search engine and puts together. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that in the slightest. It's a neural engine that starts with random pixels and forms the pixels into things that it keeps checking against what humans can see, whether it's nearer to the picture of a cat than the randomness. It doesn't work in the way that you think. It finds its answers to your question or produces the images and the video by comparing the idea of what humans find acceptable. That's why it's so rubbish and why it's so bland and why it makes mistakes. It doesn't know it doesn't know its arse from its elbow. So my incredibly unknowledgeable layman overview of it raises a big issue. We think that data centers are where the data for artificial intelligence is held and processed, and we need thousands of them. And you see them popping up everywhere. The old town that I lived in, which was entire industry was based around the paper mill industry in Wisconsin Rapids. It's now flattened the mill, and they're thinking of doing a contract with a large data center because they have electric power. Basically. But I'm telling them, from my advice, that it's a really short-term economic fix. I can imagine within 2 to 3 years, that data center, if they end up building a big blue box in the middle of town where the old paper mill was, will be derelict.
In an interview with CNBC, Jensen Huang stated that the company was distributing around 10 gigawatts worth of GPUs in 2025 alone.
I hear on very, very good inside information from a very informed family member that AI will be running on a sophisticated new breed of wafer chips. NVIDIA have already got them out. Other companies are working on them. And they're going to be innovative. They're going to be a different way of constructing artificial intelligence. Because artificial intelligence isn't based on data. It's based on human perception and a learning process. So, you can produce that wacky image of a cat playing with a banana sitting on the back of an elephant by putting those keywords into a chip. It will not need a data center.
Ah, no, not me! Help, it's targeting me!
Viewers, join me on this journey. Are data centers a flash in the pan? Are data centers a very short fix to something which doesn't need fixing? that very, very, very soon, major computer manufacturers, starting off with very high-end computers that'll cost an arm and a leg, will have an AI processing chip that will do all the pulling together of your fantasy dreams and questions by answering you based on a learning thing inside the chip. It will still need connecting to the internet. It will need to share and input a large language model. But I think that it produces imagery and answers questions and all the AI activity that people do, write code and do all the things that you use AI for, will be on a single chip. And I don't think data centers are going to be a long-term solution to that. So I very much worry that if your city is thinking of going down the data center route, don't do it, because it's going to end up as an empty building very soon. What do you think? Do you work in the chip industry, in the AI industry? Are you in that kind of field? I'm not. I'm old and I don't even like apps. But let me know what you think. I hear that AI will be on a single chip and that data centers are a thing of the past and, in fact, a flash in the pan, which that's what I'm calling it. So, join me on this journey. I really, as I've always said, the truth is out there because of you want your input into this. You might notice something new on my desk. Dink. Oh, this is amazing. Look. No wires. I was really honored to be sent this by a Swiss company called Veeb, V-E-E-B. It's an electronic ink display that Veeb very kindly programmed for my subscriber account. What's a subscriber? But it uses a tiny battery and it only updates itself now and again when it's actually connected. So it lasts forever. The design is absolutely gorgeous. It works flawlessly, uses no energy, and their software just is perfect. So if you want a counter or need any display which uses electronic ink or other technologies, contact Martin and say hi from Simon in France at Veeb, V-E-E-B, the Rabbit Company of Switzerland. Now they're a small company doing innovative, high quality displays and other electronic designs. If you need custom electronics built and designed beautifully, contact Martin at Veeb. So data centers might be crap, a flash in the pan, and the NVIDIA and other companies are coming up with AI on a chip. Is that true? I need to reach out and give you a hug. Hug? All you kind viewers who sent me very positive comments about what I've done in the past and don't change. Because I was really having a big hiccup about whether I was too the voice of the old BBC and not inclusive of you and actually wanting your input and being more humble about the things that I say. As I explained yesterday, what I tend to do is get a story like this data center story, do some research and put together the facts and tell you. When I think moving on, I need to involve you a bit more deeply. So many of you work in fields that I know nothing about and have better information than me. And I have this amazing kind of channel which can put out stories. So get in touch about data centers, about AI on a chip, and let's put together your shared knowledge with me and let's explore the story. Because if data centers are a flash in the pan and will disappear overnight and leave the world with all these bloody blue box buildings full of nothing, we need to know about it. I hear that AI will be on a chip. Share your knowledge because the truth needs to be out there? I think so.